sick nasty.
Oh my god.
You should grand by freaking. It'll work.
Hey, guess what? Okay, you know what? I think I will do that.
They're playing.
Oh my god.
Ah, dude, again.
I did it. I did it! I'm dead.
I 2D'd it.
I mean, that makes sense, right?
No, never go back. One wins every time.
God damn. Give me the loops, brother! Ooh, that's a run back. Damn it! I love Guilty Gear. Right now!
Yeah!
Where's my grand by?
Dude, when you burped and you fucking screamed like that, you got afraid of your own burp. Like, what? I was like, damn. I thought you were afraid of your own burp. I was like,
No!
what the fuck?
Someone else burped and I fucking screamed after that! Pure unfiltered stupidity.
I gotta be Ragnar.
Yeah, you gotta be Ragnar this time. I want my color.
No, 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 no!
No, 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 no! Wait! That's it! Woo!
No, I'm setting this network chat.
Yes! Okay.
I was the
Oh my god.
I am Joe Biden.
Oh no!
Round star DP, gotta be one of my favorite things of all time.
I knew it.
One more time!
One more time!
What? I request a loop.
Oh my god, no! Sorry, Would I remember how to play?
No!
You start this one.
God damn it!
Round.
We're running it back.
That's right, one more time.
Yeah, one more time as they say.
Eight, fight or something?
No! No! Wait! One more time!
I know what I must do.
I've got an idea! Round star DP. I love you so much.
I never went
I'll do it again.
I think I didn't have a single chance to let them know what to call dog.
And believe me, also have a Charlie.
Bitch!
Oh my days.
Yeah! What the fuck is a kilometer? Yeah!
6-8.
Ah!
6-8.
Over the ball.
Get off of me!
Don't you wanna play?
No!
And she doesn't have when GP's on.
I need that to be.
I'll do it again!
Please, no!
Oh yeah!
For games you want.
Let's do this!
Let's fucking go!
Yeah! Let's fucking go! Yeah! Let's fucking go! What the fuck is a kilometer? Ah!
It's long to do against someone.
Make it some-
You win. You win. Just take it. Just take it. You motherfucker! Why?
Oh!
You could have taken the win!
I lied, but I did.
You could have taken the win right there!
Keep messing up the.
Fuck you! Are you doing the dust? Ah! Oh my god, I am screaming for my life here. Ah!
Oh my god, did that much?
Oh, good damn. Good damn.
Yes! Yes!
No, please, dude.
Let! Wait. No. No. No, 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 no! It's over! It's over! It's... Yes!
It's not over.
We're so fucking back!
Really is lucky.
Triple overhead.
What do you even do?
Am I dead? Am I dead? Yes, I'm dead.
Die.
Oh, god damn, man.
You know what?
So fucking close.
Get 9-1 max up.
9-1 match. Dude.
I grab him.
It's over, it's over, it's over, it's over.
Yeah! Let's fucking go!
I cannot believe it was over.
We're so fucking back.
Anyways, I'm getting bullied by Abba, so you know.
I was trolling, I didn't think I was actually done.
You should bully me so that you don't get bullied.